Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and today I'm going to talk about saving emails into BubbleUp. All right, this is a super cool feature. It's kind of tucked away, but it is an awesome little Easter egg cool feature if you know how to use it. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. There's a little setup, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so in BubbleUp, if we go into BubbleUp, this is the main screen. I hit the little profile picture, so I start going into settings, preferences, save emails to BubbleUp. Okay, in here it's going to give you a little instruction which we'll refer to in a moment, but what you need to do in here is you need to authorize your email address that you're going to email into BubbleUp from. This is a way to prevent like spam entering your BubbleUp folder, right? You get to dictate who can send email into your BubbleUp. So authorized emails, and in here I have a bunch of my email addresses that I'll use for different projects and such. So in here you would hit the add button, add your email address that you're going to email into. So let's say you're going to use it for professional reasons. You might want to add your professional email into that, or your personal email for personal things, what have you. You can add a bunch of addresses in there that BubbleUp will allow emails to come in from to your folder. Okay, so I've set them up there, and that's all you need to do. So if we go back to if I hit the profile picture at the bottom there and I go to my profile, you'll see my username is Wade Sellers. That's my name. So my forwarding address would be wadesellers@mybubblup.com. That's all I need to remember anymore, is just that. You could save it as a contact in your phone so you have quick access to it. That's always a great idea. Let's go ahead and forward an email. So I'm going to go into I use Spark email, and I really like this one, okay? Here's the email I want to forward. I just hit my little forward button. This is the same for any email client. Just hit forward. And then in here for the to, I'm going to say Wade Sellers and you can see it's already wants to autocomplete because I do it enough times. Wade Sellers at mybubblup.com. I'll go ahead and tap that. I don't need to add anything to titles and bodies. You can worry about that later if you just want to get it in there. Go ahead and hit send. All right, so now that it's forwarded in there, where does it go in BubbleUp? Let's go find it. If I go into BubbleUp, here's my main page again. You'll see in the top right, you see the emails button. Tap on emails, and then right here it is. Now, if you don't see your email right at the top, check your sort order. If you hit the little three dots in the right, hit sort, you could choose date added to BubbleUp, right? The newest first. Okay, so that's what I do. Now, if I just tap on it, it's a PDF of your email. So right there, you can scroll right down, you can read it. It's PDF, so all the things are tappable just like they'd be in your email account, and you have it right here. Awesome. This is how you save emails into BubbleUp. I honestly think it's one of the coolest features that we have because I just love my inbox zero, but I also need some of those at times, and putting them into BubbleUp in an organized manner is just a really efficient way for me to get this done quickly. My name's Wade Sellers. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe for much more quick tips and tricks on how you use BubbleUp in your everyday life. I will see you in the next one. Bye!